when Odunga or any other judge issues an order against the parliamentarians, they cut our budget. We cannot continue operating like that. We cannot continue operating like that. And we have made it very, very clear. I have made it very, very clear that the judiciary has to be funded if it is to perform its core functions. A tweet going around about some officers in our courts, instead of using the M-Pesa to collect revenue, they are refusing to do that. And they are asking the convicts to pay cash. The DCJ has called for a report on that, and we are going to deal with that firmly.
Vigilance is critical. It's got to be our culture that all the time we are on the lookout for any colleague who behaves in a less than honest manner, such as those who would insist on cash instead of following the prescribed procedure. Don't mind your own business when corruption is beginning to rear its ugly head in your environment. So, incorruptibility is critical to the proper administration of justice. Otherwise, let's forget. It's either we are faking it or we are sold out completely to the cause of justice.